25 years ago, in December of 1997, the first issue of Woodson Wave Report was published, and we are celebrating by offering you 25% off our most popular monthly subscription for a limited time only. Simply type 25 in the discount code box and you'll instantly have 25% off of the first month issue. You can see here is our website. You click on register. There is register. This page comes up. Fill out all of that nice stuff. Click on the monthly subscription. Note there can be no refunds with the discount code. Come down to the discount code here. Type in 25. Hit apply and bam, there it is, 25% off. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Wanted to let you guys know, in addition to all that 25% off, Elliott Wave International is offering the free book Elliott Wave Principle. You can click on that link there, and I think I have a pic of the book there. That's where I learned everything about Elliott Wave. Everyone asks me where to learn. That's the best place I can suggest to learn. Okay, let's get right into it here. We're going to look at a few things here. Let's start with the, by the way, today is Friday, January 13th. It's about 45 or 40 minutes before the open today, Friday the 13th. Interesting things going on. Let's start with the U.S. 10-year. You can see here we have that last, that third wave. We have a fourth wave overlap, and we have what looks like a double bottom there. Wave 5 should start up. If it doesn't, then this overlap can't go too much further, so we would have to refigure that wave count there. That 3 should be over there. So pretty critical spot there for the US 10-year. I want to flip over, if I can, to the Qs. Okay, there we go. Let's get that out of the way. From that B wave high on August 16th, again, we have 5 waves down for 1. We have a second wave up, which was a perfect Fibonacci retracement, as was this 2, as was this 4. And we have a 1 down and a 2 up. So that 2 is just above the 50% retracement and below the 618. Okay, the make or break is that wave 2 high, 300.80. This 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of that 1. And that is actually off a little bit. Let's get that down there. That's 297. Don't know how that 297.07. Let me get on that. My apologies for that getting off there. 296.88. Let's change that so there's no confusion. 296.88. There we go. And you can see the projected path over there. All right, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Okay, and that is actually 217. Let's make a little correction there. Don't know how that got off. 217.16 it looks like. There we go. Okay, and that's where we're looking at. Okay, so we've got an A down, a B up, 1 of C, 2 of C, and that's where 3 of C equals 1 at 217.16. Okay, so that's what we're looking at a 3 of at least 2 degrees of trend, if not 3 degrees of trend. A 3 of 3, possible of 3. Let's look at the SPX. We don't look at the weekly today. Let's look at the daily. You can see from the all-time high, we have an A down in red, a B up in red, direct hit on price and time, a 618 retracement. And then we have 5 waves down for wave 1 of C. We have 3 waves up for wave 2 of C. Again, we've got a 1 down and a 2 up. The interesting thing that we put out to our subscribers a couple days ago was this trend line drawn from the all-time high. It caught that wave 2 high. It caught that wave B high. Excuse me, 12.1 it went over. And then on 12.13, it made a nominal higher high of less than a point. Okay, there's a little throw over there, there's a little throw over there, and there's a tiny throw over there. So that wave 2 looks complete there. Where is it wrong? If it goes above, excuse me, 4100.96 is it cannot retrace more than 100%. So that's our make or break. That's where we're wrong. We're looking for a 1, 2, then a 3, 4, 5, and 3 equals 1 at 32.67 on the larger scale. Wave C equals wave A at 31.43. That's what the ultimate goal is, target for the downside is. Okay, that's the daily. I don't know if we want to, yeah, we can get into the hourly here. Here's from that 4100 high on the 13th. That's back there, 4100 high. Okay, you can see we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1, a 2 right up at the 786. Okay, and again, that is touching that resistance line drawn from the all-time high, which caught 1, 2, 3, 4 tops now. We'll see if that holds. Okay, I'm going to look for something to come down from here. Don't know if we have that on a smaller scale, but we'll get into that on the ES. Okay, let's get over to the ES. You can see again, there's that blow off top. Okay, from the January 4th high. There's A down, B up, 1 of C, 2 of C. I called it a blow off top right there. And then we've got a 1 down. Interestingly, 1 down lasted a Fibonacci 7 or Fibonacci 8 minus 1 days. And as of yesterday, wave 2 lasted a Fibonacci 13 days. There's the 4021.50 high for wave 2. Where are we wrong? 4180. A move above 4180, it indicates that this wave count is wrong. So that is our make or break on the ES. Okay, so far that high is 4021. Wave 3 gains equality with 1 at 33.55. That is the 1 in parentheses, 2 in parentheses, 3 down here. And wave C, that is A down here, B up there. C, one larger degree of trend, gains equality with A at 31.59. That's the ES on the daily. We can come down here to the hourly, and there is from that low, we've got an ABC up. Here were our targets right here. Okay, you can see the 382, 50, 618, C equals A. It appears to have topped right there at 4021.50 on the 12th, which was yesterday. I don't know if I can get, let me get down to the 1 minute, show you what we're looking at here. Okay, that is that high, and I didn't put those in there, but that should be 1 down and 2 up, and an internal 1, 2, 3. This is live. It's right now. It's about just a few minutes short of 9 a.m. Eastern. We've from that 2, we've got a 1 down and a 2 up, and there's the 3 targets: 1, 1, 2, 7, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1. There's a 1, 6, 1, 8. Then we would expect. I can put that in there. Let's do a text if we can. That thing is off a little bit. Well, we would get a, once 3 is done, we get a 4 up and then a 5, and we'll see where that ends up going. I think I have some picks on that that'll show it a little better if we can. Let's look at the, here is the future since we're on it, and you can see there that we have the 1 down, the 2 up in parentheses, and this shows the projected path. 1 down, lesser degree, 2 up, that 4021 high yesterday. And then we've got a 3. There's where 3 equals 1 at 3629.75, and it equals 1.618 at 3387.75. So we expect a 3 down, a 4 up to hold below this wave 1 low, then a 5 to get us down to the 33.55. Okay, larger degree of trend, a C equals A at 31.59. That's the futures. I think I have the cash here too. Let me see if I do. Let's see, and there is the cash. Okay, same wave count, excuse me, different numbers, but there is that wave 2 high, 39.97. This cannot go above 4100.96. There's where 3 equals 1 at 36.66. The 1.618 multiple is 34.62. Once that is achieved, we're looking for a 4 up to stay below the wave 1 low, and then a 5 down, and there's the 3 target at 32.67. The larger degree wave C, you can see those targets there, 31.43. Ultimately, we're looking at a decline around 3100, depending on the cash and the or in the 3100s, the cash and the S&P. I think I have some things here to show you guys. Here's the special interim report we issued to annual subscribers yesterday. By the way, that 25% off is not just for monthly, it's also for annual. Okay, we can see what we've got here called Wave 2 Complete, and there is that in picture form, maybe easier to see there. That's what we're looking at for the S&P cash. Let's see if we had any more interesting things to see. We looked at pattern, showed Wave 2 Complete, price showed Wave 2 Complete, and time. And there's those Fibonacci times, okay? Fibonacci 8 minus 1 days for Wave 1, Fibonacci 13 trading days for Wave 2 up, which was yesterday. Next turn date in the cycle, if you will, sequence, I mean, is January 16th, which is Monday, 2 trading days from yesterday when that was produced. We remain in sell rally mode because the next big event is Wave 3 down. You can see that Fibonacci sequence from the all-time high has had a slippage of the most of 3 trading days. This would be 2 trading days if it topped yesterday. As I said, the next is Monday the 16th, which I believe is a holiday. Okay, so that is the special interim report that went out yesterday to the annual subscribers. I think I also have what we put out for the monthly, which was the ES. Here it is here. That was yesterday. Post-market close. We had a pre-market open. Again, Wave 2 complete. The same chart, if you will, just different prices for the futures. Again, there's where 3 equals 1. It's at 32.6975 and a 1.618 at 33.8775. So we're looking for a 3 down, a 4 up. Again, to hold below the Wave 1 low. Then a 5 down to complete the larger degree of trend Wave 3. Gains equality at 33.55. The larger degree, A in parentheses, B in parentheses, C in parentheses, gains equality at 31.59. I think we got the same things here. We were looking for a move higher. There's where it went to 21.50. There's higher targets for Wave 2, but it cannot go above 41.80. That's the make or break. Again, we had pattern, price, and time. Same thing as the cash market remain in sell rally mode. So we'll leave you guys with this chart here for the ES futures daily chart, if you will. And if I can get that centered, there we go. Okay, you guys have a nice weekend, and until next time, take care, everyone.